Welcome to the BTIS Teacher Dashboard. This is Mayank Priye's home screen at SKR College, designed for maximum efficiency. At a glance, you see lectures, attendance, and assignments. Notice the top right. Live GPS coordinates make fake attendance impossible. The system uses 3 verifications: face recognition, GPS, and timestamps. All 3 happen in under 10 seconds, right on the whiteboard device. But the real magic is AI lecture analysis. The system automatically monitors classroom sessions to provide feedback on clarity, engagement, and pacing. It even identifies strengths and improvements in both English and Hindi, ensuring every teacher has the support they need. From syllabus tracking to internal messaging, BTIS brings transparency and support to every classroom. BTIS is simple, secure, and effective, revolutionizing the classroom experience for teachers and students alike.